his music was just filled with so much passion and drama, overflowing with emotion. He once said, "I wish I could blow off the box that poisoned my happiness, and yet..."
All right, it's January 10th, 2023, Under the Wing 76. I just began. It's going to be a depiction of two Russian resistors, partisans who were executed by the Nazis in Belarusia. I haven't depicted any Russian victims of the Nazis, and the Russians suffered horrific losses. All right. And I'm not addressing the horrible Russian atrocities and onslaught with their invasion of Ukraine last year, an ongoing, whole different horror. All right, to continue.